What up, my guy or girl? Hey, I'm Nick Andrade, and today we're going to hit a back workout. But before we get in the back workout, I want you to see, you're going to see a lot of this. You're going to see a lot of tempo, numbers in parentheses, looking like this. So what those numbers mean is I want you to focus from left to right. So the first number in the parentheses, for example, number 3, that means lowering part. That's the lowering part of the exercise. So if you're doing a bench press, that's lowering, what we call eccentric. So you're lengthening the muscle fibers. So that's 3. So 3 meaning it's taking 3 seconds to lower it all the way down to touch your chest. The second number usually could be like a 1 or 2 or 0. It's the finish. It's the isometric part of the movement. So that could be at the bench press. It could be the lockout, so it takes 2-second pause at the top. That's the isometric part. If you're doing like a shoulder press, I would have you do it at the top, hold it there for 2 seconds. It just allows you to fix those little mistakes if you're not locking out. So that's the second number. So the third number is important, is the concentric phase. That's where you're doing a bench press. Right when that bar touches your chest, you explode up. If it's an X or if it's 2 or 3, it takes 3 seconds to get that weight up. That's the third number. The fourth number would be like a 1 or a 2. And what we want to see is usually at the end of the movement, 1 second before you go back down, finishing or starting another repetition. So that, again, is what I really want you to pay attention to in today's back workout. Hey, if you like the video so far, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know what you think, and let me know if you have any questions going forward. Again, I'm Nick Andrade, and I'm going to be your personal trainer here on YouTube, and I'm telling you, I'm going to guide you to putting on muscle. Other than that, I really hope you appreciate the video, you liked it, and let me know what you're looking for. Again, thank you. Stay zeroed in.